Do you know how to wire your car's horn? Watch this video and I will teach you how to wire your horn to your car. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. God bless you all. This is our steering wheel where horn switch located. Inside of the steering wheel have a switches. Inside of the steering wheel there's a wirings, some of the wires connected to the stereo, senior's airbag, and for the horn. For the horn, one of the wire is connected to spiral cable clock spring. This is our spiral cable clock spring looks like. And where's spiral cable clock springs located?